Hello, my sports marketing kids. I'm going to do a message for both my first hour and my 6th hour together. So I'm actually doing this video on Sunday so that I can upload it on Monday. So I hope you guys are doing great. I am actually in my husband's office right now videoing this. I was hoping to video it live from my chicken coop, but it's raining, so hopefully later in the week. So I just kind of wanted to give you guys like a little bit of an update of how things are going to go this week because we officially start as elective classes this week. First and foremost, I want to check up on you and see how you guys are. That comes first and foremost, is just making sure that your well-being is being taken care of. So I just want you guys to remember that, to get outside, to exercise, to be drinking lots of water. Of course, I have my cute little Starbucks one here that's nice and sparkly. As you guys know, I love sparkle stuff. And just to let you know that I'm thinking about you and trying to make this as seamless as possible, and we're all in this together. So what I've done is, if you go into Google Classroom, which we've been using the whole time anyways, what I will have in there is I will have a list of things for you guys to make it as simple as possible. So for example, tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. it will send out an agenda. And what I did is I made like a template that tells you like what is kind of expected for the week. The big thing is, you guys, is that, and every teacher is doing this a little bit different. I'm doing it once a week versus every day. So you will see in there, there's a Google form, and there's just some questions you have to answer. They're really basic this week. Like, I'm just checking in how you're doing, what's something fun that you've done. If you want to do a Zoom as a class together, they're very basic questions. It should take you about 5 minutes to do, but I need you to complete that, and just once a week, I need you to do that, and that will count as your attendance for the week. So that's just something that the school district is requiring. Each teacher can do it a little different. So you might have some teachers that are expecting you to do one per day. So I know like my own children have to do one per day, but for my class, it's just gonna be one per week. So please make sure that you fill that out, that Google form. And then for this week, all that you guys are expected to do is, in my 6th hour, you already know about this because I explained it to you before we left. There is going to be, you're going to watch a 20-minute clip on March Madness. It's a PBS video. It looks like it's 50 minutes, but there's other segments on there. You only have to watch the first 20 minutes of it. The second half is about a totally different topic. So after the March Madness part is done, you are done. And then there's a worksheet that goes along with it. It's a PDF. When you're done with it, you can just submit it back in. So again, this week's activities should only take you a total of a half an hour at the absolute max. A couple reminders for you guys before we had left. Before we left on the 13th. Don't forget, if you haven't submitted your Olympic assessment in Google Classroom, please make sure that you do that. Also, you guys had worked on the summative called Creating a Sport. So if you haven't submitted that, if you can do that for me before Friday, I won't put anything into Infinite Campus prior to that, but if you could do that for me, that would be great. And if you have any questions, please email me. Every day I'm going to be logging in from 9 to 11, but I always have my computer with me because my kids are working as well. So please make sure that you check that. I also wanted to do a couple birthday shout outs. So in first hour, we had birthdays this past week. So Sammy, I know you had a birthday on the 24th, so I hope you had a great 16th birthday. Connor Anderson, I know you had a birthday on the 23rd, so I hope you had a really great one. And Carter, in my 6th hour, you had a birthday on the 26th of March, so I hope you had a fabulous birthday as well. I miss you guys. I miss seeing you in the morning and in the afternoon. I hope you're doing well. And again, please make sure you take care of yourself. If you have any questions, please make sure you email me. I don't want my class at all to stress you out over anything. So if you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed, I hope you're not from my class. But if you are, please reach out to me so that I can help you. Have a great day, and we will talk soon. Bye, everybody.